In this video, I will tell you how to generate from Gemini AI a image with prompt. So first you have we must a prompt, any prompt. So I go to ChatGPT, type a story. I tell ChatGPT give me a story. So I type I give me a God story. So this is a story ChatGPT give me. So here type I want this story for step by step prompt since why. So here you can see this is first prompt. I go to Gemini, here type and the copy paste, then plus icon click. After that create image, select, then arrow button click. Few second wait, my image generated. You can see this is a image generate, uh, like second image generate, copy prompt and paste here. If you generate without prompt image, so first you type anything. I type this amen. So I type the amen sitting alone, moods deeply sudden. I need such image. Enter button tap. You can see this is image. Your plan according this image ChatGPT generate.